Hello everyone, welcome to Building Material Reporter, and today we are at MATECIA Delhi 2026. Joining us today we have with us Mr. Manish Bhatt from UNIPEG. Sir, please introduce yourself and the brand as well.
Uh, Good evening, madam. Myself Manish Bhatt, and I am from UNIPEG Royal Edge Band, based at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We are manufacturing PVC Edge Band exclusively for all the OEMs, laminate companies, and distributor and dealers. We are manufacturing laminate PVC Edge Band since 2010. We have a different categories like wood finish, solid finish, fabric, gloss, matte, all the range we are manufacturing. Besides that, if you have any exclusive laminate also, we are manufacturing as per your availability and the color. These are the edge band are used for the furniture and the kitchens and OEMs purpose.
So, what all products are you showcasing at MATECIA?
We are showcasing exclusively PVC edge band because we are manufacturing only edge band, dealing with the edge band.
Sir, what do you see in the near future? What are the trends that are going to monopolize the industry?
As far as the monopoly is concerned, in PVC edge band, colors are moving very fast. As per the laminate companies, they are changing their colors. They are coming up with the different shades in solid and wood and fabric also. So we are also changing with the same pattern. So we are keeping the current color, market demands colors and sizes.
What are the USPs that UNIPEG is providing its customers?
Yes. Our USP is, madam, is quality. We are manufacturing quality product with the virgin plastic, imported primer, and imported ink and all this thing. So we are highly focusing for the quality. We are not compromising for the quality.
Sir, any message that you have for the customers and consumers?
Yeah, please do visit or do use our product, and we can join for the further business. We can expand our business with the customers also as per their requirement. We are planning to appoint distributor across the India. We are planning to provide our edge band to all the OEMs also. And we are planning to connect with the architect and interior also.
Sir, please show some of your products to us.
ये वुड फिनिश एज बैंड है और इसमें अलग अलग ग्रेन्स की आप देख सकते हो डिज़ाइंस है. इसमें अलग अलग साइजेज आती है. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2x22/0.45 से लेके 55/2 तक आती है. ये वुड फिनिश है. ये जो है ये फैब्रिक फिनिश है. ये अगेन जो लाइनर आती है लेमिनेट की लाइनर, उसके मैचिंग में हम बनाते हैं. अलग अलग कंपनियों की लाइनर के साथ मैचिंग के हिसाब से हम बनाते हैं. इसमें भी अलग अलग साइजेज आती है एंड फिनिश आती है. मैट भी होती है और ग्लोस भी होती है. ठीक है. ये हो गया फैब्रिक, ये हो गया वुडन, और ये हो गया हमारा कलर जो सॉलिड कलर बोलते हैं. इसमें पेस्टल भी आता है एंड सॉलिड भी आता है. तो इसका जो पिगमेंट होता है वो सब जर्मन बेस होता है. इसके लिए क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है.